In a Florida divorce case, school designation is always a really big deal. It's one of those take it or leave it positions when you get divorced. Somebody's got to get the school designation. Both parents can't get it. Both parents can have shared decision making. They could have 50-50 time sharing, but one has to get school designation. What does that mean? Whose address is going to be used to determine what public school a child goes to? Mom or dad is going to get school designation. Who's it going to be? It's often an area of big contention in a divorce case. At the end of the day, the rule is whatever's in the best interest of the child. The parent that gets school designation is very often going to be the parent that has the more established address, been there longer. Maybe the parent that's staying in the marital home after the divorce. The parent who's got more bedrooms in their apartment or signed a longer apartment lease. The parent who lives in the better school district. The parent who lives in the neighborhood where the children have been raised for a while and has friends in the area. That's who's going to ultimately get school designation, because that's going to be in the best interest of the child. Who's not going to get school designation in an otherwise 50-50 time-sharing situation where both people are decent quality parents? The person who's living with their mom or their dad, the person who's got an unstable living situation. It's not going to be the person that has multiple roommates or who lives in a bad school district. So somebody that's angling in a case to try to get primary school designation, it's really about the foundational stuff. Where do you live? What neighborhood you live in? What area of town? What house or apartment you live in? How many bedrooms? What school zone is it? Those things come into play. It doesn't just automatically default to the mom, and it doesn't automatically default to the dad. So if you can't agree on who gets a school designation and the court's ultimately going to decide, those are the factors that the courts are going to look at.